Russia continues to rely on the DesertCross non-armored vehicle at the front line, leaving Russian infantry very vulnerable, which increases their losses. Seen here as the vehicle goes past 2 destroyed armored vehicles, seeing Russian losses having a constant flow, with Ukraine's drone army chasing after the DesertCross, being able to take out both the vehicle and troops in one go. With Russia having bought thousands of DesertCross, they will most likely continue sending these even after seeing the result, increasing their losses, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.